Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful, fresh arrival used vehicle, guys. 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line 4Motion, guys. So taking a walk around this one. This one is the R-Line, so it's got those beautiful black accents. It's 3M'd all the way halfway up its hood, its fenders, all that already installed, so you won't even have to spend a dime on it. Keyless entry, we'll take a look into the passenger side here, guys, so you can see it's got the beautiful all leather seats, beautiful display gear shift, all that good stuff in there. Take a look into the rear seat here. As you can see, you'll have a charging port back there, tons and tons of leg room, all weather mats. This is where your gas tank's going to be, is just here on the right, guys. And then automatic power liftgate, guys, so that you won't need to worry about too much when you're getting that open. Already going to have your all-weather mat here, as well as under here you can see you're going to have your full-size spare tire that we hope you never have to use. Coming around this side, we'll get a look into the rear seat here. Cup holders in the in your center seat there. And then into the driver's side here, so you can see you're going to have the beautiful R-Line steering wheel already installed on this one. You can set your adaptive cruise, all that good stuff. Your collision control. You're going to have a lift gate here option, power windows, power locks, heated seats, whatever you want. This one has, guys. If it interests you, give us a shout down here at Redwater Dodge, 780-942-3629.